In today's tutorial, we are going to build a journey to notify Slack users about new Zendesk tickets. For this, select Zendesk as trigger and new ticket as trigger event. Now, I'm going to select an existing connection and click on link account to establish the connection. That's it. We are ready with our trigger. Now in steps, we have to send a message to Slack. So click on simple action and let's select Slack. Choose send message to a channel as action. Now again, selecting an existing connection and I'll just click on link account to establish the connection. Next, we have to choose appropriate channel. Now add a message to send using Zendesk data tree. As we want to send message via bot, we have to select yes here. That's it, we are ready with our journey. Now let me just save the changes and start journey. To check our output, let's go to Zendesk. And I'm gonna add a ticket, adding the requester and selecting an assignee. Next, adding the subject line and details. Then you just have to submit the new ticket. Once you submit it, let's go back to our journey to check the execution. As you can see, the journey has been executed successfully. Now let's see on Slack. As you can see, a new message has been received with details of Zendesk ticket. This way, we can build a journey to notify Slack users about new Zendesk tickets. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.